Are you about to make a huge mistake with your next car purchase? What if I told you that some of the most popular and luxurious car brands in 2024 are actually among the most overrated? Stick around till the end to discover the shocking truth about these so-called top-rated cars, according to the latest Consumer Report data. And you might just rethink that dream car on your wish list. Hey car lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the auto industry closely, you know just how much hype can surround certain car brands, especially when they've earned cult-like followings. But what if I told you that some of those brands are no longer as reliable as you think? Well, today, we're diving deep into Consumer Reports 2024 and uncovering the most overrated car brands that are simply not worth the buzz. In fact, some of the cars we'll talk about today have been disappointing consumers for years now. And if you're not paying attention to the latest data, you might fall for their marketing tricks. So, buckle up, because we've got shocking insights that will have you second-guessing your next car purchase. Let's kick things off with a car that's been a symbol of luxury and performance for decades, the BMW 3 Series. But according to Consumer Reports' 2024 rankings, the 3 Series has officially slipped from its position as a top-tier luxury sedan. Sure, it still looks sleek, handles like a dream, and carries that coveted BMW badge, but when you dig deeper into the data, it starts to crumble. In 2024, the BMW 3 Series scored poorly for reliability and build quality. Consumer Reports flagged issues with its electrical system, suspension components, and engine performance, which leads to costly repairs down the line. In fact, owners have reported frequent transmission problems and even engine failures after just a few years of use. As a result, the BMW 3 Series now sits in the bottom half of the luxury sedan category for reliability, falling behind competitors like the Audi A4 and Mercedes-Benz C-Class, which continue to show higher customer satisfaction scores and fewer maintenance headaches. So, if you're thinking about purchasing one, just know that while it may impress on the showroom floor, you might be signing up for a headache when it comes to long-term ownership. Next up, we've got the car that's taken the world by storm, Tesla Model 3, the electric vehicle that promised to revolutionize the auto industry. But is it really living up to the hype in 2024? Well, Consumer Reports thinks not. While the Tesla Model 3 has made huge strides in the electric vehicle market, it has significant flaws that simply can't be ignored. First, let's talk about reliability. Tesla's overall reliability ranking in 2024 was pretty low, especially when it comes to their Model 3. The car has been plagued with build quality issues, paint defects, and malfunctioning hardware right out of the factory. In some cases, owners have reported getting a brand new car with poorly aligned body panels or scratches on the paint. But what's even more frustrating for Tesla owners? The lack of customer support when it comes to getting these issues fixed. According to Consumer Reports survey, many owners have faced long delays when seeking repairs, with some even waiting weeks or months for simple fixes. And it's not just the build quality that's a problem. The Model 3's reliability has also been called into question with concerns about its battery life and charging issues. According to data from Consumer Reports, more than 20% of Model 3 owners reported having problems with their infotainment systems as well. So, while Tesla's tech and performance might be great, the quality control issues and poor after-sales service mean that the Model 3 is no longer the shiny beacon of EV excellence it once was. All right, let's move on to a true American icon, the Ford Mustang, a car synonymous with raw power, muscle, and the American spirit. But even the Mustang is starting to show signs of age, and in 2024, it's becoming less and less reliable, according to Consumer Reports. Despite its undeniable muscle car appeal, the Ford Mustang has ranked poorly in terms of reliability and build quality in 2024. The car's interior quality has been criticized for being cheap and outdated compared to competitors like the Chevrolet Camaro or Dodge Charger, which offer more premium cabins and better technology integration. But that's not all. The Mustang's fuel efficiency is a huge downside, with the V8 models especially known for their gas-guzzling tendencies, making it not the most eco-friendly choice for buyers. On top of that, owners have reported issues with the transmission and suspension system, making the Mustang not as smooth a ride as it once was. In short, while the Mustang may still turn heads on the road, its reliability and value proposition are taking a serious hit in 2024. If you're looking for power without the repair bills, you may want to think twice. Now, let's talk about luxury SUVs, and one of the most overrated in this category, the Audi Q5. Don't get me wrong, the Audi Q5 is a beautiful car with great styling, but when it comes to reliability, it just doesn't measure up to its competition. In 2024, Consumer Reports rated the Q5 lower than other luxury SUVs like the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLC, especially when it comes to long-term reliability and cost of ownership. The Q5's infotainment system has been notoriously glitchy, with reports of frozen screens and unresponsive controls, problems that are frustrating for tech-savvy buyers. And while the Q5's driving experience might seem refined, it suffers from a lack of interior space and comfort compared to rivals. The back seats are cramped and the cargo space is subpar, which means it's not the most practical family SUV. In addition, the Q5's fuel economy has been below average for its class, making it a less attractive choice for those looking to save at the pump. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV, Audi's Q5 is starting to show its age in 2024, and it's quickly losing its edge in terms of reliability, tech, and overall value. So, we've just gone through some major disappointments, but stay tuned, because we're about to talk about the hidden costs of owning these overrated cars. Why are these once popular brands slipping through the cracks? What does this mean for you as a consumer? Stick around, because what's coming up next is going to change how you shop for cars in 2024. So, why are these cars overrated? Let's look at the bigger picture. According to the latest Consumer Reports data for 2024, car buyers are becoming increasingly savvy about their vehicle purchases. People want more than just flashy designs and fancy names. They're looking for reliability, value, and performance that lasts. Reliability is the key metric here, and it's clear that some of these brands have failed to deliver. For example, BMW, Tesla, and Ford have consistently ranked low for customer satisfaction, with owners reporting more and more frequent trips to the repair shop. And these issues don't come cheap. On average, owners of these overrated cars are spending hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars on repairs that they didn't anticipate. It's no longer enough to just have a cool car. Consumers want to know they're getting a good return on their investment. And that's where these brands are falling short in 2024. So, what do you think? Are these cars overrated? Or do you think we've got it all wrong? Drop a comment below and let's talk about your experiences. If you're tired of overhyped brands and want to learn about the best cars for 2024 that are truly worth your money, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to buying cars, knowledge is power.